click on customize channel. Once you click on customize channel, now we are going to go on content. We click on content to find out the particular content that has breached the copyright of our YouTube. So this is the video. The first video here has a copyright warning, and we also have another video that has a copyright warning. So now let's first of all click on this first video. So when we click on it, the video automatically opens. So we have visibility, we have restrictions, subtitles, end screen, and cards. So let's click on the copyright. So when we click on the copyright, we click on see details. Click on see details. So now the video is open. So this is the copyright strikes details. Okay, it says status view. The content ID claim on your video doesn't affect your channel. This is not a copyright strike. Yes, but the owner of this video, of this music, has already claimed it on my video. So the person is actually earning on this video. I can't earn on this video because of that music, but it is not a strike. A strike is a copyright that affects your channel. Strike occurs 3 times in your channel, YouTube will pull your channel down. So they say this one is not a strike, it's just a warning that the person has claimed the music and the video altogether. So now what I have to do is I'm going to select action. I'm going to click on select action to change this music or to do any other thing. So we have options, either to erase the music, so it will be a silent video, no sound, nothing, or to replace the song, or to trim out the segment. We just trim it out, and that particular segment will just be voiceless or be soundless. Actually, to file a report, a dispute, give them reasons why the other person cannot claim the song. So now let's click on replace song. Let's say we want to replace song. We'll click on it and then we'll click on continue. So when we click on continue, now this is the part that has the song. Now we want to go to YouTube library to replace this sound. Let's go to audio library. So we'll click on audio library. So these are the kind of songs that they have. So let's say I play them to start the song. I've already started the song and I also want to download it, so I'm downloading the sound. Okay, so these are the songs that I stayed on. Now let's say I play this one. So now I'm going to play the music. This is the music on the video. Once you click on that, you click on save to save what you've changed. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like the video, to leave a comment in the comment section, and to subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.